Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Microfiber Floor. The Rubbermaid Reveal refillable spray bottle works with the Reveal spray mop to allow you to clean your floor your way. Use any solution in the bottle or just hot water to customize your clean. Simply insert the full bottle into the mop, and the trigger handle allows you to dispense an even spray over the path of the mop. Non-battery operated spray triggers allow you to dispense as much or as little solution as you need to clean your floor. The 54 inches. The metal handle offers durability with ample reach and comfortable use. Microfiber cleaning pad picks up 50% more dirt and dust per swipe than traditional mops. Simply fill the bottle with hot water and 2 teaspoons of your favorite cleaning solution and you're ready to mop. Save more, waste less, and get a customized clean with the Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop. This mop is safe to use on all floor types including hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, and cement. Check out some homemade solutions for your specific needs. One side of the mat for ordinary mopping, brush side can quickly remove solid dirt, double-sided design, make cleaning more convenient. Mops and sprayers are used safely on all types of flooring, including hardwood, vinyl, laminate, hardwood, tile, etc. All floors dry super fast and do not damage the floor. Microfiber spray mop with 750 ml refillable bottles, easy to install spray bottles, allowing you to configure your own solution, no longer need heavy bucket, liquid does not leak. Number 2 in this best floor cleaning machine for laminate list is Auric Commercial Hard Floor Cleaner. With several cleaning pads, brushes and cleaning solutions for purchase, it's versatile enough to tackle virtually any job on any floor surface and gives you amazing, professional-looking results every time. The wide 13-inch cleaning path makes tough chores a breeze. Sand, refinish, strip, scrub, wax, and polish all floor surfaces, as well as deep clean your carpets. The Auric Commercial Orbiter is virtually maintenance-free. Conventional floor scrubbers can be difficult to use. Auric Commercial Orb 550MC Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner works differently. The brush head rotates in a random orbit for easy-to-use fingertip control. The precision-engineered induction motor is constructed of durable zinc and steel, and there are no gears, belts, or motor brushes that can wear out. Microfiber pads are reusable and machine washable up to 100 times. These floor mop pads, which are soft, water-absorbing, durable and more economical than disposable cleaning pads. Mops with sprayers are wireless and do not have battery-powered. A 360-degree rotating washable mop head and a 120-degree wide-angle spray can reach every corner of the house and remove all stains and spills, but not so wet that they leave streaks or puddles on the floor. Our third choice is Eureka Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Eureka new 200 all-in-one vacuum mop that vacuums up debris and washes at the same time, giving your hard floors a new look. Ultra Motor Power, 450W. A good solution for household hard floor cleaning. All-in-one powerhouse that combines the deep cleaning benefits of a traditional upright vacuum, sucking up debris and embedded dirt, with the refreshing clean of a mop to remove sticky and stuck debris. With Eureka new 200 corded wet-dry vacuum mop, you can really enjoy a truly clean home. Clean water tank, 800 ml, dirty water tank, 420 ml. Eureka's 2-tank system means you are always cleaning with fresh water, while dirty water and debris are collected in a separate tank, allowing for one-time cleaning of the house without changing the water during the cleaning process. Easily maneuver around furniture, along cabinets and into corners that are often missed, thanks to swivel steering and optimized design, to ensure you can deliver a complete cleaning to every nook and cranny with this vacuum mop. Easily switch between cleaning hard floors and area rugs, control your cleaning with an on-demand solution trigger. Reusable mop pads for wet jet mop are made of premium microfiber material and thickened sponge. Super absorbent and cleaning power, pick up dirt and pet hair easily, saving cleaning time. Different from disposable mop cloths, the microfiber pads for Swiffer Wet Jet Mop can be machine washable and you can reuse them up to 100 times. Not only saving your money and energy, but also contributing to the environment. Fourth pick in this best floor cleaning machine for laminate list is Pure Steam Steam Mop Cleaner. Cleans literally everything. Nobody likes cleaning. But with the help of our 10-in-1 steam mop you can clean the whole house more quickly and easily, making it cleaner and fresher than ever. Clean a lot more than floors with the built-in handheld steam cleaner, or use the flexible hose to put the cleaning power of steam in the palm of your hand. Works great as floor steam mop, carpet cleaner, steam cleaner, handheld garment steamer window, mirror and glass cleaner and much more. Best steam cleaner for tile and hardwood, cleaning with no chemicals, leaves the floors looking new and really clean. Comes with a special surface scrubber, providing versatile cleaning from top to bottom. Ideal for glass, sealed stone, stainless steel, and sealed tile/grout. 3 adjustable modes help you cater the mop's steam level to your specific needs. That's especially important when you're trying to preserve your hardwood floors. The steam cleaner's 380 milliliters, 12.8 ounces, reservoir provides around 25 minutes of steam at the lowest setting and about 12 minutes of steam at the maximum steam setting. One real bonus is that it uses tap water alone to steam off dirt, eliminating the need to buy pricey detergent. Ideal cleaning tools for home, apartment, offices, etc. These mop replacement pads refills are perfect for almost all types of floor, like hardwood floors, marble, glass, cement, tile, laminate, vinyl and ect. Keep your home cleaning, safe for your family and pets. Our fifth and last choice is Bona Multi-Surface Floor Spray Mop. Multi-surface floor mop designed to effectively clean linoleum, stone, terrazzo, vinyl, sealed porous marble, laminate, vinyl LVT LVP, and no wax sealed tile with a dual zone microfiber pad. Attached extra large microfiber towel head cleans 40% faster than the leading competitor. Locking strips make for easy attachment and removal of the pad for superiorly quick household cleaning. Easily refill the floor multi-purpose cleaner solution cartridge for less plastic waste and reuse the machine washable microfiber pad again and again. Ideal cleaning tools for home, apartment, offices, etc. These mop replacement pads refills are perfect for almost all types of floor, like hardwood floors, marble, glass, cement, tile, laminate, vinyl and ect. Keep your home cleaning, safe for your family and pets. Microfiber flip mop can be used dry to attract dirt, locks them in the fabric fibers until the fabric is washed. Our mop covers a wide area with each glide, quickly and effectively clean large areas. Flip mop refills, strong water absorption capacity, there will be no dust and water stains in the place that has been cleaned with a mop cloth. Great for absorbing water and spills, leaving your floors streak-free and spotless. The flat mop is equipped with 2 washable replacement pads, which can be reused, cleaned, refilled and replaced. The mop pad can be easily attached to the fixed Velcro of the mop head, and can be removed and cleaned quickly and easily.